How to rearrange albums on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. On this page, go to the Collections section at the bottom. Over here, go to Albums. You can view all your albums over here. Go to the top right corner and tap on three dots. Here, tap on List View. As you can see, you can now view the albums in a list. And then, tap on the three dots again. From here, you can choose how you want to sort the albums. For example, select Sort by Date Modified. The albums will now be sorted according to the date. If you want to sort them according to the name instead, then select Sort by Name. You can also sort them by custom order as well. If you want to delete any album, then long press that album and then tap on Delete Album. Following these steps, you can easily rearrange albums on iPhone.